Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll learn how to raise an indent in the Procurement module. From the home page, open Procurement and go to Indent. An indent is your internal request to procure items. Here you'll find all your indents, along with quick actions to turn them into an RFQ or purchase order. To add one, click Create. On the Add Indent form, build your requisition line by line. For each line, choose the product group and product, enter the quantity, and set the expected delivery date. You can also set the indent type, for example, a customer order, and link it to a specific order through the indent reference, so you're procuring directly against real demand. Add the indent value and any notes as needed. Add as many item lines as you need in a single indent. For larger requisitions, use Upload Excel as CSV to bring in items in bulk, and download a sample file to get the format right. Then save, and your indent appears in the list, marked New. You can open any indent to review or amend its details at any time. From here, an indent flows straight into Procurement. Select it and create RFQ with project, or create PO to move it forward. That's how you raise an indent in OEMup. In the next video, we'll turn an indent into an RFQ.